Remove or replace a detector easily with Solo 200. Contacted an engineer since the fire detector needed maintenance. After analyzing the space and checking the installed height of the detector, he tried different ladders to remove the detector. He was unable to remove the detector since it was installed at an awkward area. Puzzled? Remove or replace the detector without a ladder using Solo 200. This can be used with all Solo access poles and can be adjusted to fit most of the detectors. Adjust the tri-grips of Solo 200 according to the diameter of the detector. Increase the height of Solo access pole as per requirement and lock the pole. Grip the detector, twist it to unscrew it and pull it down to remove the detector. After maintenance, install the detector with ease in no time using Solo 200. The Solo 200 gives you the flexibility to remove or install detectors of multiple diameters. It can be done from any angle.